With the rise in urbanization, issues of safety and efficiency in old buildings and upcoming housing enclaves need to be adequately addressed. On account of the proximity of wires and cables to electrical systems and the accompanying potential heat and spark sources, wires and cables used in enclosed spaces are particularly required to have fire safety characteristics. In the last few years, various wire and cable companies have been focusing on electrical safety with the development of fire-safe cables. Driven by environmental issues and safety concerns, there has been a noticeable shift from normal PVC insulation to more sophisticated and safe solutions like heat-resistant flame retardant, fire retardant low smoke and low halogen, or halogen-free flame retardant compounds. There are a number of applications that require flame retardant wire and cables, including building wiring, control cables, portable power cables, elevator cables, mining cables, welding cables, and so on. Besides, the fire-safe cables also find applications in factory automation, automotive and material handling, marine transit cables such as military, commercial vessels, and cables for tunnels. In general, wire and cable standards define fire performance requirements for reducing flame propagation of cables, smoke generation, corrosivity of combustion gases, and maintaining circuit integrity. A number of trends also have a significant influence on the material selection for these wires and cables, like sustainability, disposal and recycling, reduction in the use of toxic chemicals, and adoption of cost-efficient technology in manufacturing while still maintaining high quality and longevity of the installed wires and cables. For more news and updates, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.